Hi, I'm Alexander from Rene of Paris, and today I'm talking about this delicious short curly style, Luca. Luca's amazing. This is completely a bit of me as a wig. I love it. First off, it's heat friendly, which is great. So should you want to make Luca a little bit of a tighter curl or slacken it down a little bit by putting some heat through, make it a bit straighter, you could. However, for me, Luca is just perfect as is. Great curl pattern, looks very modern. This kind of texture works really well on the rooted shades as well as the non-rooted shades. So a real chameleon style in the way it transfers so well for all these different shades. As an actual shape, love it, love it, love it, love it. Want to show you the sides. So you can see like how that's cut into the neckline, very feminine, very wearable. This is really get out the box, give it a shake, wear it and go. This is Luca. She is absolutely beautiful. And let's have a look at the cap construction. Luca is a heat-friendly wig with a machine wefted cap, open weft throughout the back and the sides, and adjustable straps in at the nape.